Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Shaggy. Do you know who is Shaggy? Shaggy is a funny and lovable character from the Scooby-Doo cartoon. He is the best friend with Scooby-Doo, the big dog. Shaggy is always hungry and loves to eat snacks, especially Scooby snacks. Even though Shaggy gets scared easily, he always sticks with his friends and helps them to solve mysteries. He is known for his lead black style, messy hair and green shirt. Shaggy teaches that little scared, it's okay to be a little scared sometime as long as we have our friend by our sides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.